grandma of alleged FSU gunman blames parents after deadly shooting. A grandmother's grief has turned to accusations in the wake of a tragic shooting near Florida State University's student union. 2 lives were lost, and several others were injured in the senseless act of violence. Now, the alleged gunman's grandmother is pointing fingers, laying blame squarely on his parents. Susan Eriksen, the grandmother of the accused shooter, is not holding back. She believes his father and stepmother bear responsibility for the deadly events that unfolded. Her words paint a picture of a young man corrupted, his path to violence allegedly paved by those closest to him. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Eriksen didn't mince words, describing Ikner's father and stepmother as rotten bastard people. She claims they actively influenced him, molding him into the individual capable of such a horrific act. Her accusations are stark and deeply personal. She insists that before their influence, Ikner was the sweetest kid. Eriksen alleges that his parents transformed him, twisting his character and instilling hateful ideologies. The grandmother's pain is palpable as she recounts the alleged transformation. According to Eriksen, they instilled bigoted views in him, poisoning his mind with prejudice. She further claims they taught him how to hunt, providing him with the skills and familiarity with weapons that would later be used in the shooting. These are heavy accusations laden with grief and anger. The family's history is complex, marked by distance and conflict. Eriksen admits she hadn't seen her grandson in a decade, a separation that speaks volumes about the family dynamics. A contentious custody battle between Ikner's biological mother and father further complicated matters. Ikner's biological mother, Anne-Marie Eriksen, expressed shock and heartbreak upon learning of the shooting. Her statement reflects the disbelief and devastation felt by many who knew Ikner before the alleged transformation. She is grappling with the unimaginable. Anne-Marie stated she was just as shocked as everybody else. Her words underscore the unexpected nature of the tragedy, leaving her and others struggling to understand how this could have happened. The pain is evident in her brief statement. The shooting occurred near the bustling Student Union building, a place of community and connection. It shattered the sense of safety and security for students and staff alike. The location underscores the indiscriminate nature of the violence. Ikner allegedly used his stepmother's former service pistol in the attack. The origin of the weapon raises questions about access to firearms and responsible gun ownership. It adds another layer of complexity to the investigation. The victims have been identified as Robert Morales, 57, and Tiru Chaba, 45. Both men were employees of Aramark, providing essential services to the university community. Their deaths are a profound loss. Ikner was shot by officers during the incident and is expected to survive. He will likely face serious charges in connection with the shooting. The legal proceedings will undoubtedly be lengthy and complex. Beyond the weapon used in the shooting, Ikner was also in possession of a handgun and a shotgun. The extent of his arsenal raises concerns about his intentions and the potential for further violence. It paints a disturbing picture of preparedness. Classmates have come forward, describing Ikner as espousing white supremacist views. They reported hearing him use gross racial rhetoric, indicating a deeply ingrained prejudice. These accounts offer a glimpse into his mindset. These disturbing details suggest a possible motive rooted in hate and extremism. However, authorities have yet to officially confirm a motive for the shooting. The investigation is ongoing. Lucas Luzietti, a classmate of Ikner's, recalled arguments with him over his offensive statements. He expressed concern about Ikner's access to firearms, highlighting a potential warning sign that was missed. His concerns now carry a heavy weight. Luzietti highlighted the lack of strong red flag laws in Florida. These laws allow for the temporary removal of firearms from individuals deemed a threat to themselves or others. He believes such laws could have potentially prevented the tragedy. His statement underscores the ongoing debate surrounding gun control and mental health. It raises questions about the effectiveness of current laws and the need for preventative measures. The conversation is crucial and timely. Authorities have yet to release a definitive motive for the shooting. The investigation is ongoing, and detectives are working to piece together the events leading up to the tragedy. The search for answers continues. They are examining Eichner's background, his online activity, and his relationships with others. The goal is to understand what drove him to commit such a violent act. The process is meticulous and time-consuming. The community is left to grapple with the aftermath of this senseless act of violence. The search for understanding and healing will be a long and difficult journey. The impact of this tragedy will be felt for years to come.